Hi and welcome. We're here at my potato patch and we're gonna see if I have some potatoes. I put in, let's see, some red potatoes, white, and Idaho I think are in here too. So let's see what I've got. When the leaves start to die off, that's when you harvest the potatoes. So let's go ahead and dig around and see what we have in this section. I do have some others that are pretty new, so I'm going to try to avoid that. But ooh, look, we got a nice white potato. And let's see what else we got in here. Any more? Nope. There's the dead leaves. And let's see if there's anything else. That is definitely a full potato. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that's all I got. There's one potato. Well, that's not too bad. Oh, and another tiny little potato. Okay, so, and another tiny little potato. Too tiny, but I was hoping I'd get some more. All right, so that was that for that set. Oh, wait. Ha! And another small little potato. Not too bad. Not too bad. What do we have here? A little red potato. So, yeah, I think that's it over here. This plant here, here's another one that was also finished up. And let's see if there's anything under here. Let's see. Oh, feel something. And we have another potato. Red potato. Nope, it looks like a white potato. Just dirty, needs to be cleaned. Okay, so if we have anything else. Yep. Oh, rock. Okay, got it here. Let's see what happens. I've got two, so maybe we can see if there's anything in this area here. We have carefully. Aha! There we go. Potato. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yep, that's just a clump of dirt. Let's see, anything else? Carefully. So that's an old vine now. I'll just got and I think that's it in this little section. But, yep, okay. So nothing else there. This one's still growing here. I'm gonna let that go. I have some other ones that are still growing in these spots that but here's another one. And carefully see what we have in this section. That's a weed, okay? another little potato. Well, that's not too bad. Let's see. No, that's just extra vines from that I need to cut off. Old, dead. Let's see. That's just dead vine. And no, nothing. Nothing else. That's okay. So I'll plant some new potatoes that I have. We'll see what happens. But these guys are still growing, and see what we get in the next few weeks. Not bad. That's not too bad. Oops, here we go. So, a little harvest of potatoes. Cool. Yay.